Yeah, you have another interesting problem over here. They have given only the value of x, and x is given as a surd. You guys are aware of surds, right? Where this is given in the form of an irrational number, and they're asking us to find the value of root x plus 1 by root x. So all this while you have seen that they give you the value of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x, and they ask you to calculate x square plus 1 by x square or x square minus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube. But here the problems are a little bit different. So you might be surprised to see this kind of problem. So no worries. Let's take at this one. Let's look at this one. So what do you need? Whenever you look at a surd, right? What do you need to do? You need to always rationalize it to get the other part of it. So let's do one thing. They have given x is equal to 7 minus 4 root by 3. What will be 1 by x? 1 by x will become 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Right? This is what I'm going to get. So can I rationalize this to ensure that I don't have a denominator, I only have a numerator over here? So how can I do this? What can I do this to it? 1 by x, I can write it as, what is the rationalization surd for this one? We have to multiply it by both numerator and denominator with 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to multiply it by 7 on the numerator into 1, and similarly in the denominator also I'm going to put the same expression, and we have in the denominator it is 7 minus 4 root 3. Right? So when I open up this one, what do I get? It will be 1 by x is equal to in the numerator it remains the same. I won't be able to do anything. Leave it like that. If you look at it, what is the format it's taken? It is a plus b. A is 7 and b is 4 root 3. So it is a plus b times a minus b, right? So what happens? A plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. So I can write it like that. This becomes 7 square minus 4 root 3 ka whole square. Look at it. A square minus b square. So what do you get over here? So when you open up, you get numerator is 7. Leave it like that, and here you get 49 minus 48, which is equal to 1. You get a 1 over here. So now x is equal to this one, and 1 by x you got it as 7 plus 4 root 3. Look at it. Okay, so now if you look at this one over here, what do you get? Now you need x plus 1 by x. Can we add these two terms? X plus 1 by x will be 7 minus 4 root 3 plus this is x, and 1 by x you got it as 7 plus 4 root 3. So when you open these two, if you see, these two gets cancelled out. So your x plus 1 by x is nothing but it's 14. Right? You got this one. Now how are you going to approach to get this one over here? So what do you need to do? Okay, so let's run this. Can I take that value? Because that is what I need to find. I have square root of x divided by 1 by square root of. So can I do whole square to this? When I do whole square to this, what do I get? I get root x ka whole square plus 1 by root x ka whole square plus 2 times root x into 1 by root x. Look at it. These two gets cancelled out, right? So your x root x plus 1 by root x ka whole square is nothing but this becomes root x into root x will become x, plus similarly this one will become 1 by x plus 2. So what do you have? Here you have 14. Put this value 14 plus 2. You get 16. So root x plus 1 by x root x 16. How can I write? I can write it as 4 square. So therefore your answer is root x plus 1 by root x is equal to 4. That's your answer.